In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable and open it in Excel. We'll go through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can move your data out of Airtable and into a spreadsheet format that's easy to work with in Microsoft Excel. This is useful if you want to share data, create reports, do additional analysis, or simply keep an offline copy of a table. To begin, open the Airtable base you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you've selected the exact base containing the data you need. If your base has multiple sections or lots of information, taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place can help you avoid exporting the wrong content. Once the base is open, go to the correct table or view. This part matters because Airtable often organizes data into multiple tables, and each table can also have different views. If you only want a filtered set of records, be sure to open the specific view that shows exactly what you want to export. That way, the CSV file reflects the data, layout, and record selection you're expecting. Next, click the View dropdown or open the menu options associated with that view. Depending on your Airtable layout, this may appear as a drop-down near the view name or as a menu icon. Look through the available options until you find the export feature. From there, choose the option to download or export as a CSV file. Airtable will generate the file for that table or view and download it to your computer. CSV stands for comma separated values, and it's a common file format used for moving tabular data between platforms. It's simple, widely supported, and works especially well for opening data in spreadsheet software. After the file has downloaded, open the CSV file in Microsoft Excel. In most cases, you can do this by double-clicking the file or by opening Excel first and then selecting the downloaded CSV from your files. Once it opens, review the columns and rows to make sure everything imported correctly. It's a good idea to quickly scan the formatting, especially if your data includes dates, numbers, or long text fields. Finally, save the file as an Excel workbook if needed. This is helpful if you want to preserve formatting, create formulas, add charts, or continue editing the file using Excel features. Just use Save As and choose the Excel workbook format. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Airtable data and opened it in Excel.